Guys, we made it to the top. This is the top, that's the cliff. This is the highest point in Coast Province. It's now around 5 a.m., 6 a.m. We're just about to leave Mombasa and head to
Voi. Here we go, man. We are going to Vuria Hills. We are so excited, man. Post-lockdown adventures.
Ndio sasa.
La kwetu.
Hey. Chakula ishafika. Fungua tuanze nazo.
You want to start eating? No, take a piece.
DJ has made us some snacks. So Devi is observing social distancing. Amejipatia 2 meters. Ameamua lale to recliner kabisa.
From the surface contact to the people's contact, so you need to be safe, eh?
Where is your sanitizer?
My sanitizer, I am well equipped, bro.
Where is your sanitizer? Hey,
I'm well equipped. You have to be safe all the time.
Oh, that's nice.
And we also have
keeping safe. And where's the mask?
I have several masks. I can use this. I can use hanky.
Right, eh? Yeah, nice one.
Okay, it's golden,
It's golden, eh? It's golden.
Can I be free? Relax and take it easy. We only got one life, so live your life. Hey, welcome to paradise. On our way to Voi, we made a stopover at Engwata Art Galleries and Restaurant.
Kwetu the best homemade food.
My DJ,
Nishamaliza yangu manzi. Tamu sana bwana. Tamu sana.
The place is quite hilly. You can see plenty of hills. We are now in search of the highest hill.
Unasikia kabaridi?
Kanaingia yani.
Jonjo. Go fresh.
So we are nearly there. We are still on our way to one of the hills. Yeah, we are now here.
Look at them.
Explore photo trip. On our way uphill. Looks beautiful. Leo tuko undani Taita Hills. Tuna hike the highest point in Coast Province. Let's go. Amjamoni. Hey! Watalii tumefika. We are going hiking, but in the meantime we're using the car to hike. And then we'll start our own personal hike. Welcome to Undanyi. Welcome to Watate. Voi. Tange. Kunaitwa hapa sasa.
Hapa ni
Makadabi yanako chini pale
Waambie Taita. Waambie kwa Taita.
Mabango mgange wa Davida. Davida.
Never before.
Welcome back.
Yeah. Survived Corona. We're now here. We made it to Taita. The weather is chill. Very nice. It's not raining, it's sunny. Very nice weather for hiking. Yeah? So we're excited. Can't wait. Kushuka behind gari tuanze kutembea.
Very nice.
Very nice, eh? See the Fanta Glorious. It's called Fanta Maglorious. Fantastic.
Arrived safely.
Which one of the following was that?
Like 20, 10 minutes. Stretch to good stretch.
Guys, are you ready for the hike?
Yeah! So we are just about to start the hike. And the two most important things, a bottle of water.
A what?
And a banana.
Banana.
Yeah, let's do this. Journey begins all the way up there on top of the mountain. Let's do this. So, Shanza na already tumeanza kuhema. How? Where is my banana? So we are now 5 minutes in. We are going that way, all the way up to there. The highest point in the whole of Coast Province. So Juma has decided.
The father of all hikers.
How? Where is an Uber when you need one? At this point, proceed. That's exactly where we're going, where there's so much snow there. Mbona siafu? Usijali. Hey. God, you know me.
I think about showing you tomorrow. Yes. Woo! Hey!
You are a useful person in the society.
Yes, and that's why Juma should not be charging me for this fish anymore. Wasikia comment here, bro?
You can crawl if you want. It's very tiresome. Fellow hikers,
Can I sit on that?
no littering.
Wakitupa takataka mimi nakuacha police station.
The instructions are simple and clear.
Then unatupia nani karatasi kwa park?
My banana.
Nani ajipokota?
My banana. My banana will save me.
Look at that.
This is my source of energy. My banana. My water. Guys, this is it. Woo! The only thing you are allowed to throw away is something biodegradable. The greenery is quite amazing. It gives you psych to keep going, still going up. Look at that dense foliage. So we are now exactly 1 hour into the hike. It's now 12:08 and we're still going. Nimeumwa na siafu, nimeumwa na nyuki. But we are good. We are pushing on. We are pushing on.
Oh my God.
Voila, Fanta Maglorious Laula Rakwata.
Fanta Maglo. So that's where we are from. Kama kuna jua.
Unaona ile mlima pale? Hiyo saidi huko ndo kina Mwatate.
Tumetoka kwa ile mlima. Tukatembea nje yote. Siafu on my balls. Siafu imenikula balls. We have discovered a water source where we can get some water, some fresh water. It looks awesome.
That is so cool.
Fresh water.
I just got my bottle of water. Down sana.
Mbona unaogopa?
Baridi. Ni kama nini?
That water is sweet.
It is sweet.
Clear, sweet. Pure. You know? Hapa tunahitaji sweet.
Hiyo tena ni baridi.
Jumaa siafu za kumaliza. Nasema tumefika. Hatufiki. So wengine walibebwa. The advantage of being a lady is you get free rides. So this is the final turn. We are now here. You can see the mist. We are now at the highest point of Coast Province. Mombasa, Kwale, Kilifi. This is the highest point. You can see the mist. It's really nice. We are here. We made it. We made it! guys, we made it to the top. This is the top, that's the cliff. This is the highest point in Coast Province. And we are here. I'd like to give a shout out to Explore Photo Trip for sponsoring the event, sponsoring the hike, the trip. It's really been awesome. We're now up here, the highest point in Coast Province.
How heavy is it? How heavy are they?
They are not heavy.
Uh-huh.
They are very light. I can do like 50, but I'll do 5 for today, just to warm up.
I'm neither single nor chicken.
You're dead. You're dead.
No, entanglement.
Oh, you're in an entanglement.
Tour operator based in Diani and also in Mombasa town.
My name is Becky.
Becky.
I'm a law student. I also work in a law firm.
Hii movie inaendelea ama iendelee?
I'm taken.
It's over. Let's go home. Let's go home.
We're currently posted at Tomb at the COVID center.
No.
Hey, Corona is real, yeah?
No. Guys,
1 meter.
it's over. Okay. Massage.
Merchant.
Oh. Single. Searching.
Self-love now. What is self-love? So long as you are untaken.
You're not happy, sir.
That's the
AKAS. I am a travel blogger. I am a Toastmaster. I am a research intern.
On the throne.
Yes. See, you do follow me.
I do follow you.
Hashtag Island Girl Rosa. Yes, based in Mombasa. Love to travel. Love healthy eating, nutrition, fitness. I am a model, stylist, and creative director.
A close up. Terrain.
I am married.
It's been quite a journey. We are now going down. So she's a local. You teach me some. Say hello.
Kwa sina mana.
Kwa sina mana.
Yeah, kwa sina mana. And then you say na sina mana to.
Na sina mwana to.
Na sina mana to.
Kwa sina mwana.
Si mwana, mana.
Kwa sina mana.
Yeah. And then you reply na sina mana to.
Na sina mana to.
Exactly.
Kovenda
how? Unaenda wapi?
Kovenda how? Waenda pi? Kovenda how? Then
Navendaja.
Navendaja.
Nenda kula.
Nenda kula.
Yeah.
Really nice. Kwenda chakula inaitwaje?
Ati?
Chakula.
Chakula vindo.
Vindo. Those are some Taita words for you. We are now going down. We took 2 hours to climb up. After juu, post, introduced each other, took some photos. And now it's time to go down. At least the journey down, it's much easier than the hike. The hike has been good. It's now around, it's heading to 2. Mpaka chini. Tulikuja na huku. So we came with that way while going up. We now have a shortcut here.
It's beautiful.
It's really beautiful, like a jungle. Look at that. Look at that. Nature at its best.
That is so beautiful.
Got a shortcut huku in the middle of the jungle. Yeah, I'm still going around the mountain. I'm going downhill. So we're finally at the bottom. This is where we started. And this is where we are finishing. This is really awesome. Done did it.
Wale wanafinywa ni wale walifinywa wakitoka. So wana reshape.
How's the hike?
Reshaping.
It was fun.
You reshaping sasa unaweza reshape.
And new experience.
So we are now at Vakani. That's part 2 of the adventure. We are from the hike to Choka and all that. Now we are here, we want to go and relax, swimming, barbecue, just freshen up after the long hike. And my friends are actually there, they're walking in right now. Nini? Hiking effects. Tables are already set, just in time for some lunch, some barbecue. Social distancing rules being observed. What a change in life. That's my crew. Swimming and the barbecue part. It's been really exciting, but nimechoka. I'm tired. Sijui kama nitaingia kwa swimming pool. I might just relax, but I think I'll eat first because I'm way too tired. It's been 2 good hours hiking to the top. 1 hour coming down. It was much easier, but to enjoy. At least to stretch leg, but I'm tired. There's a swimming pool paid for right there. It's part of the package, but nobody's swimming. Look at my friends. You're tired. You're tired. Nobody's getting in the swimming pool. Guys, hakuna mtu ana swim. Watu wamechoka. I'm way too tired. Hiyo tutaswim baadaye tu. Pengine nikianguka ndani ya maji. You're doing well. So those are my 2 friends, AC, Ross, doing a good job. So it's food time. Food is ready. Choma.
Yeah, so I like the shift.
Guys are now happier. Guys are now smiling. I think people are. Food is a solution. So my food has arrived. It's mutton, ugali, and some burger. lunchtime. The meal is awesome. Very awesome. You can go, yeah? So the meal has been amazing. 5 minutes later, my friends are still tackling their beats, which is okay. Now for some watermelon and juice, then maybe I can go assist people who are unable to finish their food. Done with my beats. I want to assist those who are stomachically challenged. Wala sima na chips. Guys, this is the magic that happens here. I see you. That's awesome. That's a beautiful thing. Mr. Robert, I think you just started. Hey, see, how's the swimming? I'm your waiter for the day. But your food must be really cold. Swimo ilikuwa poa. The water is cold, warm.
It's cold.
So nisingie.
But with the kind of refreshing cold, it stretches out your muscles and you feel good.
Blogger speaking, yani ana express. Mpaka una
Ina speak out vizuri by the way, ukweli.
Awesome. Haya. Enjoy your meal.
I'll shoot you.
Kata, push, kata, push,
Guys, some good exercise after eating a whole kg of mutton.
tap.
I'll be taking points.
Huko, 1, 2, kata. Anda mapema. Alafu right there.
Hey, hiyo nayo nimeshika. Chel.
Hey, tap.
Julius Alema. Richard Mate. What song? What? Yeah. Explore photo trip. Kumbe we just have models, Models. And there's a nice place to swing.
Very relaxing.
Rose on the throne. Bobo Shanti, I see you. Beautiful ladies, Are we going back to Mombasa? Ama tunabaki huku?
Maybe we can spend the night.
Guys, time is not on our side. Explore photo trip.